Are you struggling to quiet your mind, focus during meditation, or even just find 5 minutes of peace in your busy day? Today, we're going to explore simple, effective techniques to help you meditate properly. Techniques that anyone can master no matter how hectic your schedule. We'll also bring in powerful insights from Sadhguru, one of India's most renowned spiritual teachers, to guide you along the way. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the art of effective meditation. Why meditation matters? Meditation isn't just about sitting cross-legged and trying to empty your mind. It's a proven practice that can help reduce stress, improve mental clarity, and even enhance overall well-being. Studies show that regular meditation can lower blood pressure, decrease anxiety, and increase your capacity to focus on daily tasks. Many spiritual traditions, including those taught by Sadhguru, emphasize that meditation is not a performance. It's a way of syncing with your inner self. According to Sadhguru, meditation enables us to tap into a deeper dimension of who we are and to experience inner joy independent of external circumstances. Before we dive into the actual technique, let's talk about how to prepare for meditation. Firstly, find a quiet space. Look for a spot in your home or outdoors where you won't be easily disturbed. Turn off notifications on your phone or set it to Do Not Disturb mode. Then choose a comfortable posture. You can sit on a chair with your feet flat on the ground or on a cushion with legs crossed. Make sure your spine is upright yet relaxed. Set a time limit. If you're a beginner, start with 5 to 10 minutes. Gradually increase this to 15 or 20 minutes as you get more comfortable. Having a set time helps you commit and develop consistency. And last, breathing awareness. Take a few deep, slow breaths before starting. This helps calm your nervous system and signals your body that it's time to relax. Now, let's move on to a simple meditation technique that combines mindfulness and breath awareness, something that resonates with many of Sadhguru's teachings. Focus on the breath. Gently close your eyes. Bring your attention to the natural rhythm of your breathing. Feel the sensation of air moving in and out through your nostrils or mouth. Observe, don't control. Don't force your breathing, just observe it as it is. If thoughts arise, and they will, acknowledge them and return your focus to the breath. You can silently repeat a mantra like I am or Eem with each inhalation and exhalation. If you prefer a guided approach, you could use affirmations like I am calm and centered. Scan your body from head to toe, noticing tension and releasing it. This scanning pairs well with breath awareness and helps anchor you in the present moment. Sadhguru's tip on awareness. According to Sadhguru, the essence of meditation is awareness. Instead of trying to fight your thoughts, expand your awareness to include them, but don't get entangled. Simply let them pass like clouds in the sky. Many beginners face common obstacles when starting a meditation practice. Here's how to overcome a few of them. Restless mind. Solution. Remember Sadhguru's teaching. You are not your thoughts. Observe them, let them drift away, and gently return to your breath. Physical discomfort. Solution. Adjust your posture. You can add cushions or sit on a chair. Meditation doesn't require discomfort or pain. Your body should feel supported. Lack of time. Solution. Start with short sessions. Even 5 minutes a day can make a difference. Then gradually increase the duration as it becomes a habit. Expectations of instant bliss. Solution. Meditation is a practice, not a quick fix. Sadhguru often says the journey inward takes patience and consistency. Don't judge yourself if you don't feel results right away. Once you've got the basics down, you might want to deepen your practice. Explore guided meditations. Use apps or YouTube videos that offer various lengths and styles. Sadhguru's guided meditations focus on the connection between breath and energy, which can help you experience a deeper sense of calm. Try different times of day. Morning meditations can set a positive tone for the day. Evening meditations can help you unwind and improve sleep. Join a community. Check out local meditation centers or online groups. Satsangs, spiritual gatherings inspired by Sadhguru, can provide support and keep you motivated. Experiment with techniques. Explore chanting, mantra meditation, or Isha Kriya, a technique offered by Sadhguru's Isha Foundation. Find what resonates best with you and stick with it for a while before switching. Meditation, when practiced regularly, can lead to significant transformations. Improved mental clarity. You'll find it easier to focus on tasks and make decisions. Enhanced emotional well-being. Reduced stress and anxiety often lead to better relationships and overall happiness. Spiritual growth. As Sadhguru emphasizes, meditation can unlock deeper layers of inner awareness, leading to feelings of peace and oneness. It's not about chasing an elusive, mystical experience. It's about rewiring your perspective so that calm and clarity become second nature. Meditation is one of the most powerful gifts you can give yourself. It's simple, accessible, and can be done anywhere, anytime. By incorporating Sadhguru's insights, you're tapping into a profound lineage of wisdom that has helped millions find a deeper sense of purpose and peace. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content on mindfulness, spirituality, and personal growth. And remember, the best time to start meditating is right now. So find a quiet corner, close your eyes, and begin your journey toward a calmer, more focused you.